Hey there, let's see how you can create an email group in Gmail in two different ways using your PC. First, you can open up any browser like Chrome or Google. Now in the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon. From there, you have to choose Contacts. Now from here, you have to choose the contact list. Select the people you want to add to your group. After selecting them, tap on this level icon. If you have a group before, you can add them in there. I am going to create a new level from here. Now type a name for your group and click Save. And that's it. Your Gmail contacts group is now ready. To send an email to this group, go back to your Gmail and click Compose from here. In the To field, start typing your group name. You will see it pop up. Select it and see all your selected members are here. Type your preferable mail details and send it off to everyone in the group. And there have another way to create a group. For that, you have to open up a browser and go to groups.google.com. And from this page, you have to click on Create Group. A window will pop up. Enter your group name and a description. Then click Next. Next, customize who can view, post, and join your group. On the next screen, type in the email addresses of the people you want in your group. You can also add a personal invitation message. And finally, hit Create Group from here. And you will see your group is created successfully. Now tap on your group name, scroll down a bit, and you can start your group conversation directly from here. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.